अग्निवीर रॅली योजनेअंतर्गत भारताच्या मिलिटरी जवानांच्या नोकर भरतीच्या प्रक्रियेक मडगांवां 5 सप्टेंबराच्यान सुरवात जाल्या। आयज ह्या प्रक्रियेचो तिसरो दीस काल ह्या प्रक्रियेचो तिसरो दीस जालो जाल्यार आयज ह्या प्रक्रियेचो चौथो दीस। ही प्रक्रिया 10 सप्टेंबर मेरेन चलतली। ह्या रॅलीन भारताच्या खुबशा तरणाट्यांनी वांटो घेतिल्लो आसा। ह्या रॅलीचे मुखेल आकर्षण म्हळ्यार गोंय सरकारान उत्कृष्ट पद्धतीन आनी साधन सुविधांची वेवस्था केल्ली दिश्टी पडटा। कोरोना महामारीक लागून ही रॅली बंद आसली, देखून 2 वर्सां उपरांत परतून ह्यो रॅली सुरू जाल्यात।
Three military training regiment, which is part of 2 signal training center. It's conducting the recruitment rally for Agniveers in the UHK quota. This rally has been conducted from 5th of September to 10th of September. The young aspirants for Agniveer scheme, they have come to us from all over India, and the enthusiasm you can see in the performance and the conduct of the entire of the process of the rally. On 5th and 6th, we had conducted the rally for Agniveer Technicals. Around 1,000 personnel had come for that. Today, that is 7th of September, we are conducting the rally for Agniveer General Duties. On subsequent days, we will be conducting the rally for other categories. Today, we had a strength of around 1,800 personnel who had come to us. The basic highlight of this rally is that this recruitment rally is happening after around 2 years. So there are a lot of boys who have come to us from all over India. They are very well prepared, and this was seen in the result and the way they were participating in the entire events.